uh, Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself will visit Karbi Anglong and Jaintia Hills area where presently some unrest is going on as a confidence building measure so that the people in both sides feel confident and they will be assured that both the state will resolve the differences, resolve the dispute with a spirit of the long existed friendship between the people of Meghalaya and Assam. I think today is the another beginning because after Sri Conrad Sangma re-elected to the post of Chief Minister Meghalaya, for the first time we are interacting at the official level, and I believe that through a process of discussion, mutual trust and confidence, we will be able to resolve the other 6 areas of disputes much earlier than what we are expecting. So this is what I want to say, and I will request CM Meghalaya to address all of you. মই অকণমান অসমীয়াতে কথাখিনি কৈ দিছোঁ যে আজি মেঘালয়ৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী কনৰাড চাংমা আৰু তেওঁৰ সতীৰ্থসকলৰ সৈতে আমাৰ অসম চৰকাৰৰ এখন বৈঠক অনুষ্ঠিত হয়। অসম আৰু মেঘালয়ৰ মাজত 12টা এৰিয়া অফ ডিফাৰেন্স আছিলে, 12 এৰিয়া অফ ডিফাৰেন্সেছ, তাৰে 6টা আমি ইতিমধ্যে ৰিজলভ কৰিছোঁ, সমাধান কৰিছোঁ, আৰু 6টা এৰিয়া আমাৰ ৰিজলভ কৰিবলৈ বাকী আছে। আজিৰে পৰা আমি গঠন কৰি দিয়া ৰিজনেল কমিটিসমূহে এই 6টা অৱশিষ্ট বিবাদমান এৰিয়া ভ্ৰমণ কৰিব, ৰাইজৰ লগত কথা পাতিব আৰু সমাধানৰ চেষ্টা কৰিব। এই জুন মাহৰ শেষৰ ফালে মেঘালয়ৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডাঙৰীয়াৰ সৈতে মই আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং আৰু জয়ন্তীয়া হিলছৰ যি এৰিয়াত বৰ্তমান সময়ে সময়ে বিবাদ হৈ থকা দেখা গৈছে, সেই এৰিয়া কেইটাত আমি এজ এ কনফিডেন্স বিল্ডিং মেজাৰ হিচাপে ভ্ৰমণ কৰিম, যাতে দুই ৰাজ্যৰ মানুহৰ মাজত বন্ধুত্বৰ ভাৱ আমি উভতাই আনিব পাৰোঁ আৰু ৰাইজে যাতে শান্তিৰে বসবাস কৰিব পাৰে। মই মেঘালয়ৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডাঙৰীয়াক তেখেতৰ বক্তব্য আগবঢ়াবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনাম।
In the very outset, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and his colleagues for having hosted this very, very important and crucial meeting. We have attended this meeting along with the different chairmen of the different regional committees, and as has been mentioned already by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that this is the beginning of the process to find a solution to the 6 areas of differences which are left between Assam and the state of Meghalaya. As mentioned in the meeting today, we went through all the details and all the different reports and different discussions took place, and we have asked now the regional committees to now start the process of fact-finding, going into the details, discussions with stakeholders, and the same process which was followed in the previous phase. The regional committees will go through that. We'll have multiple meetings, and as I said, we'll consult with multiple stakeholders, and we hope that we will be able to get reports very soon. In some areas it may be faster, some areas may take a bit more time, and during that process and procedure, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be visiting the different areas, especially in the areas bordering Karbi Anglong and West Jaintia Hills, where we know that some tension has come in. And this visit is mostly to appeal to the people that we should maintain peace, to give them the confidence that we are serious about this entire procedure and process, and we would like to come to a solution at the earliest, but during that process we need to also maintain peace. So these steps will be taken. We expect that in the month of July, we will be meeting again to review the reports or the progress of work of the different committees. And I'm very confident that with the leadership that we have in Assam, under the leadership of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma ji, and also with the full support of Government of India, we are sure that we'll be able to move forward in this phase also. Things are complicated, but we believe that where there is a will, there is a way, and we will find a way forward. The trust and the friendship that we have had will continue to guide us to ensure that we are able to resolve these areas of differences which are very critical to be resolved for the future. At the same time, we have also asked the different departments, the Survey of India, to continue with the survey work that is going on in the first 6 areas of differences. And we have asked them to discuss with the different officials and public at the grassroots level to ensure that we take everybody into confidence and we are able to finish the survey work also for the first 6 areas of differences at the earliest. So with these few words, I once again, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya, would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and his government for having hosted this meeting. Thank you.
Time frame that both the government has agreed upon or
Look, as Honorable CM Meghalaya has said, that this 6 area is little bit complicated in nature. So putting a time frame is probably not a very fair idea. But what we have agreed today, that we will again meet in the month of July to review the progress of the work done by our regional committees. So there will be some area where we can arrive at settlement earlier, some area it will take time. So in this meeting today, we have consciously decided not to put any time frame before us, but we have decided to meet again in the month of July.
How complicated are the remaining 6 different sites in comparison to the previous 6 months?
You see, out of these 6 area, we have Lampi and we have also Khanduli Block 1, Block 2, and there people of both sides are emotive. It is not that the temperature is different in both the states. Both the states are emotive about this issue, and in Assam side, the question of autonomous district council also there, where Assam government do not directly have a control over the land. So these areas will be little bit difficulty, but as CM Meghalaya said, when there is a will, there will be a way. So we have decided to progress, we have decided to go ahead with the spirit of friendship, and we believe that solution will come out, but we don't want to put a time frame. ये तो स्थिति का बारे में तो आप ही खुद जानते हैं. You are only reporting about the स्थिति. So हमें there is a area of dispute. पहले हम लाम्पी में गया था, शांत है. हम दोनों जाने से, लोगों से बात करने से लोगों का मन में विश्वास होगा, उससे अमन शांति आएगा.
और एक चीज़ मैं इसमें ऐड करना चाहता हूँ कि जो इशू है हमारे सामने, इस एरियाज ऑफ डिफरेंस की वजह से ही जो है अलग अलग इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं. तो अंत में जो ये फाइनल सोल्यूशन जो होगा, इसी से हम लोग एक तरीके से हम लोग एक वहाँ पे शांति ला सकते हैं. और इसलिए ये जो घटनाएं हुए, ये पिछले 50 साल में जो भी इश्यूज हुए हमारे स्टेट्स के बीच में, इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए ही हम लोग आज काम कर रहे हैं. तो ये विजिट्स पब्लिक को ये कॉन्फिडेंस देगा कि हम लोग सीरियस हैं और हम चाहेंगे कि पब्लिक हमारे साथ रहे और हमारे साथ काम करे और हम लोग इसको साथ मिलकर रिजॉल्व करें.
Let the press from Meghalaya.
So in what way you are going to convince the Karbi Anglong outfit? Because as you said, land belongs to them. And how will the Assam government place its role to ensure that these areas are resolved?
First of all, Karbi Anglong is also part of Assam. There are administrative mechanisms where lands have been given to Karbi Anglong Council by the Constitution of India. But having said that, the representative from Karbi Anglong Council is also member of the regional committee. And you must understand that we are not two different entity. Whatever Assam government will decide will take into Karbi Anglong into the confidence, and whatever Karbi Anglong will decide, they will take Assam government into confidence. So their issue is complicated, but when we want to resolve it, it can be resolved.
What about the block end in those bordering areas? Assam, especially in Block 1. And recently there is some misunderstanding of the people.
We'll visit together and we'll talk to the people and we'll try to see, we'll assure people that look, this problem will resolve amicably, maintain peace for the time being.
Block 1 and Block 2 was transferred to Assam for administrative control by way of notification 1951. So are you looking at this notification and discuss it seriously?
Let us not go into the details of the nitty-gritty. This will be looked after by the regional committees.
The public consultation.
আমাৰ ইয়াতে তিনিখনে আছে ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট খিনি একে একে Thank you.
How many regional committees are coming?
From
Yeah,
your side.
So there are 3 regional committees from both the state governments, all headed by cabinet ministers. And the regional committees have got different stakeholders, especially local representatives. And as I said, the regional committees, as done before, they will be consulting and conducting several meetings with many stakeholders. So our idea is that we want to really take everybody together and find an amicable solution to this. Thank you.
Thank you.